Source: Jounce Therapeutics, Inc. Iconic target enrollment met across 4 combination cohorts. Company to host investor event and live webcast on Monday, June 4, Cambridge, Massachusetts, May 16, 2018. Globe NEWSWIRE. Jounce Therapeutics, Inc. Nasdaq, JNCE, a clinical-stage company focused on the discovery and development of novel cancer immunotherapies and predictive biomarkers, today announced that data from its ongoing Phase 1 Iconic trial, an adaptive design, open-label trial evaluating JTX-2011 monotherapy and in combination with nivolumab, will be the subject of an oral presentation at the upcoming 2018 American Society of Clinical Oncology (ASCO) annual meeting in Chicago, Illinois on June 1–5, 2018. The abstract, published today online, reflects data as of January 27, 2018, and updated results will be presented on June 2, 2018. Jounce has met its target enrollment for the Phase 1 Iconic trial in its combination cohorts across 4 solid tumor types: gastric cancer, triple-negative breast cancer, TNBC, head and neck squamous cell cancer, HNSCC, and non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, with most patients completing at least one efficacy assessment. Updated results, including preliminary efficacy data on all evaluable patients in the trial, will be presented at ASCO. The preliminary data from patients across multiple solid tumor types enrolled in the Iconic trial show that JTX-2011 is well tolerated alone and in combination with nivolumab, and has demonstrated evidence of biologic activity and tumor reductions in heavily pretreated patients who have failed all available therapies. In addition, a potential surrogate biomarker of response has been identified that may help to guide JTX-2011 development, said Elizabeth Trehu, MD, Chief Medical Officer of Jounce Therapeutics. We look forward to continuing clinical development of JTX-2011. Details of the oral presentation title: Iconic, Biologic and Clinical Activity of First-in-Class ICOS Agonist Antibody JTX-2011, Nivolumab, Nivo, in Patients PTS with Advanced Cancers Session, Developmental Therapeutics, Immunotherapy. Date and time: Saturday, June 2, 2018, 3 o'clock to 3:12 p.m. CT, 4 o'clock to 4:12 p.m. Eastern Time. Abstract number 3000. Location: Hall B1. Presenter: Timothy A. Yep, MBBS, PhD, MRCP, BS, The University of Texas, MD Anderson Cancer Center. Full session details and data presentation at the 2018 ASCO annual meeting can be found at www.asco.org. ASCO abstract and presentation. The ASCO abstract includes preliminary efficacy data from Phase 1 and 2 patients with gastric cancer and TNBC, pharmacodynamic data from Phase 1 that supported Phase 2 dose selection, and safety data from all Phase 2 subjects. At the presentation, Jounce will provide longer-term follow-up from patients included in the abstract, as well as preliminary efficacy data on all evaluable patients in the trial as of an April 4, 2018 cutoff date. This includes data from tumor-specific cohorts in gastric cancer, TNBC, HNSCC, NSCLC, and other solid tumors. Phase 1 and 2 monotherapy and combination safety data in all patients will be presented, as well as biomarker information on ICOS expression, including the emergence of an ICOS-high peripheral blood T-cell population. Initial Phase 1 safety, PK and PD were previously reported at the 2017 ASCO annual meeting. Jounce Therapeutics to host event and webcast. Jounce Therapeutics will host an investor and analyst event beginning at 6:30 p.m. CT, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and live webcast beginning at 7 p.m. CT, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, both on Monday, June 4, 2018. To access the live webcast, please visit the Events The webcast will be archived and made available for replay on the company's website approximately 2 hours after the call and will be available for 30 days thereafter. About JTX-2011. Jounce's lead product candidate, JTX-2011, is a monoclonal antibody that binds to inactivate cycos, a protein on the surface of certain T cells. Preclinical data support that JTX-2011 may have a dual mechanism of action that stimulates anti-tumor T effector cells, and also reduces the immunosuppressive T regulatory cells in the tumor microenvironment. The company is developing JTX-2011 to treat solid tumors as a single agent and in combination with other therapies. About Jounce Therapeutics. Jounce Therapeutics, Inc. is a clinical-stage immunotherapy company dedicated to transforming the treatment of cancer by developing therapies that enable the immune system to attack tumors and provide long-lasting benefits to patients. Through the use of its translational science platform, Jounce first focuses on specific cell types within tumors to prioritize targets, and then identifies related biomarkers designed to match the right therapy to the right patient. Jounce's lead product candidate, JTX-2011, is a monoclonal antibody that binds to inactivate cycos and is currently in the Phase 2 portion of the Phase 1 ICONIC trial. For more information, please visit www.jouncetx.com. Forward-looking statements in this release concerning Jounce's future expectations and plans, including without limitation, Jounce's expectations regarding the timing, progress and results of Phase 1 ICONIC trial, and Jounce's clinical development strategy may constitute forward-looking statements for the purposes of the safe harbor provisions under the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995 and other federal securities laws, and are subject to substantial risks, uncertainties and assumptions. You should not place reliance on these forward-looking statements, which include words such as intend, may, potential, or similar terms, variations of such terms or the negative of those terms. Although the company believes that the expectations reflected in the forward-looking statements are reasonable, the company cannot guarantee such outcomes. Actual results may differ materially from those indicated by these forward-looking statements as a result of various important factors, as well as those risks more fully discussed in the section entitled Risk Factors in Jounce's most recent annual report on Form 10-K or quarterly report on Form 10-Q, as well as discussions of potential risks, uncertainties, and other important factors in Jounce's subsequent filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. All such statements speak only as of the date made, and the company undertakes no obligation to update or revise publicly any forward-looking statements, whether as a result of new information, future events, or otherwise. Investor contact: Kamal Joshua, Jounce Therapeutics, Inc. 857-320-2523 KJ Oshie at JounceTX.com.